coming here to actually compete, you know, it's something that I didn't think of in the past few years, and I'm really, really happy and blessed to be playing on such an amazing course and to start something, you know, writing a new page of history in Saudi. I got a lot of messages from young Saudi women telling me how does it work if I want to start golf, so I actually sent them, you know, towards Performance 54 in Golf Saudi, and you know, for them to be able to be part of the first ladies club. So, you know, just being part of this, for me, it's a winning week.